Hello everyone, this is my fourth video on the Puppet Cube, which makes me officially obsessed with this puzzle. I believe in my last video I gave you the perfect method to solve the edges of the cube, with all the 3 cycles to move the edges around and all the algorithm you need to flip 2 edges at a time. The problem with the method is that there are many algorithms, very long, some algorithms up to 18 moves, which are very difficult to memorize. So my last step was to think, what if we use only one algorithm, for example, to permute 3 edges, and then we use setup moves to permute all the other edges we want. For example, we may use this algorithm, which is 10 moves long, which permute the front up, front down, and the back down edge. And I've been looking for all the setup moves which are compatible with this algorithm. I have found several ones. Here are all the setup moves up to 5 moves. For example, suppose we want to permute the left up, the back left, and the front right piece. We may use the algorithm number 4. So what we do the setup move first, which is L2, D prime, then F, and then we perform the algorithm, which is D prime, F prime, D2, F, D, F, D, F2, D prime, F prime, and then we need to undo the setup move, which is D prime, D, Alt2. And as you can see, this algorithm has actually permuted the front right, the left up, and back down edges. I've done the same thing with the algorithm which flip 2 edges at a time. I've taken this algorithm here, which is 15 moves long, which flips the right down and front left edge, which is an hidden edge. And I've been looking for all the setup moves which are compatible with this algorithm. Here you can see all the setup moves I found, up to 6 moves. So for example, let's say we want to flip the front up, the left up edges. We can use algorithm 4, which is 5 moves long. And it goes like that. We do the setup move first, which is D, L, D, F prime, D. And then we perform the algorithm, which is F prime, D prime, L prime, D prime, F prime, D, F, D, F, D prime, F prime, D prime, L, F, and D2. And finally, we undo the setup move, which is D prime, F, D prime, L, L prime, D prime. And you can see the 2 edges have been flipped. Finally, I tried to implement the method from my previous video using the setup moves. It didn't work out very well because most of the moves, the setup moves, are 5 or 6 moves long, which is still a little bit long to remember. Anyway, you can use the setup moves I give you before in this video, pick up the one you prefer and make your own method. And another thing is that in my previous method, I used to cycle between edges of the right face and the up face, while with the setup move, most other algorithm from the back face and the up face. So before performing the algorithm, you need to rotate, to change the orientation of the cube. which is an indication before the setup move, which can be up to back or up to right. You can, if you find difficult to remember which way to rotate the cube, you can just memorize the original 3 cycle between the back and up phase. Okay, let's see the way it works. Suppose we want to permute the front up, the front right, and the right down edge. We need to use algorithm A6. Before to perform the algorithm, we need to rotate the cube from up to back. Then we need to perform the algorithm, which is L prime, the setup move, which is L prime, F, L prime, D prime, F. And then we perform the algorithm, which is D prime, F prime, D2, F, D, F, D, F2, D prime, F prime. And finally, we need to perform to undo the setup move, which is F prime, D, L, F prime, L. You can see this, okay, if we rotate back, the algorithm has permute this edge, which was here, with this and this. Thanks for watching.